Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this Mercedes-Benz GLC. So from any screen, onto Navi, click Navi. Now that's come up on view map or where to. If it's on the map already, you click the back button and then you've got where to. So onto where to, click, select, points of interest, address, go home, recently found, favourites, Mercedes-Benz service, and so on. So we'll go back to address, click address, enter town, enter postcode. So we'll turn it to enter postcode, select by clicking enter postcode, and then it's got the thumb wheel, which is this is the best way of doing it rather than ticking across. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston P. Oops, gone too far. PR, and then it's automatically gone to numbers 5, 4. It defaults back to letters, but I will warn you, it seems to be painfully slow, this system. J, and it's easy. I'm so impatient. I'm turning the wheel here and I'm just about to select it and it's still moving. So just wait till it's actually gone on the number, and then you've got an arrow, or you can just turn it to go back. So we're on the arrow, click select, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5, 4JS. I'll just click 175, it's not 175, and then you've got to click go.
When possible, make a U-turn, then turn right.
We're on the forecourt here, that's why that's happening. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes-Benz GLC. So from any screen, there you go, you've got media, telephone across the top, or we can click star, and the star, again, you've got icons there. So whichever way you want to do it, onto telephone, you've got connect device and options at the bottom here. So just click back and it highlights the bottom menu again, and you connect device. I know it's going against the grain because you're deleting it. Turn the thumb wheel to the phone that you want, showing this icon at the side, click across. It's now onto that icon and brings a separate menu, deauthorize, click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize this device? Yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes-Benz GLC from any screen. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth's on your phone. So the Bluetooth's on there. And then we can either click, if we click forward, it brings the menu at the top, you've got telephone there, or if we click the star here, brings up the icons, onto telephone, click telephone. Down the bottom here you've got a separate menu, got to click back so it highlights it. Connect device, click connect device. Search for phones, click search for phones, and then start search. You've got to do everything twice. Searching for it says BT phones. A friend of mine said the other day, I haven't got a BT phone, it's with EE. But of course BT stands for Bluetooth. So, well, there you go, Barry's iPhone, click that. It's looking for it. Bluetooth pairing request 497723, yes it matches. Pair, and you may think, why does it do that? Well, quite often if somebody's just driving past, it'll pick it up. Now you see there it says connection unsuccessful. I think that's something to do with one of the new iOS updates, but if you click OK, you see underneath there Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connected. That might alter in future as and when they update the iOS, but it's connected, it's done. Another great thing with this system is if you go to, gosh, she's scary, there you go, I'll just turn that down. If you click on the red triangle with the 3 red circles at the bottom, you can see Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth there. So when I go to media, and again you can either click the star here, go to media like so, or you could have clicked the menu at the top, and you see it there. That's this ladies group. I'll turn it up on here, but it's not playing because it's not turned up on my iPhone. But when I do,
Just left us to discover you.
there you go. So that's how to stream audio or play music through the system in the GLC. Easy system, good system to use, and that's it. Thanks for watching.